This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: macOS version, Xcode installed, and an Apple ID for signing. Once done, open Xcode and create a new project. Pick the right template and language because that defines file structure. Make sure to set the bundle identifier and select your team for code signing. If you skip this, you can't run on a device. Connect a device or pick a simulator to target. This first setup lets you iterate immediately and avoids signing blockers later. You now write and organize code. Open the project navigator, edit view controller or Swift UI views, and add resources. Once code is ready, address build settings, confirm Swift version, add frameworks, and adjust search paths because incorrect settings cause compile errors. Run the app with cmd+r, watch the build progress, and read the issue navigator for errors. Set breakpoints to step through logic, use the debug navigator to inspect variables, and fix failing tests or runtime exceptions before moving toward distribution. You finish by archiving the app. Choose generic iOS device, then product archive to create a build. Once archived, validate and export for App Store or ad hoc distribution. Upload through the organizer so notarization and App Store processing can begin. Monitor the upload status in App Store, connect, and address any provisioning or metadata errors. If problems appear, symbolicate crash logs, reproduce the issue with instruments, and iterate. This resolves most release time failures and keeps your submission moving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.